Alright, Meineke says my truck failed inspection because of ball joints. Check this out. Got a lot of play in it. Now, you showed me how much play is in that? I don't see any play in it. Then, we go to the other side. Now I'm doing the same thing Meineke does. Except I'm using a floor jack. Jacking it up. On over here. So you can see it. Now, same thing. No play. But there's a whole lot of play in it. They said there's a whole bunch of play. Now my brakes. Said I didn't do my brakes. Said the brakes still need to be fixed and replaced. Here are my old brakes. Old brakes. All old brakes. That's the receipt from, where was this from? Oh, the hex keys you had to get it off. Look at the date on that. Where's the date? Where's the date? 5/2/14, right there. Bottom. Oh, right there. 5/2/14. Bought it 3:38 in the afternoon. Now, said my leaf spring wasn't done. Old leaf spring, right there. This is where it was broke. Right there. That's where it's broke. Oops, hold that. Now, said that wasn't replaced. Said I didn't replace it at all. Now, you take a look at that. New bolt. Nut. New bolt. New leaf spring. Like new. Used from the junkyard. Completely. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But Meineke says it was never fixed. Now, for you women out there, listen. Do not go to Meineke. Don't go to Meineke.